We're just very, very excited to be here. Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Goofy will take us through a magical journey, and we just want to see how they scream, how they applaud, and everything. We're very excited. This is our first time being here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It's going to be for 4 weeks from the 24th of August to the 21st of September. 48 shows in the Riyadh Boulevard, so you cannot miss it. We really want to have everybody from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia coming watching the show.